Machinery requirement and opportunities in bamboo charcoal manufacturing business. Machinery required. Bamboo charcoal making machine converts bamboo into charcoal. Dryers lowers bamboo humidity to less than 15% for carbonization. Crushing machines reduces larger pieces of bamboo into sizes more suitable for carbonization. Opportunities for new ventures. As consumers become increasingly knowledgeable about sustainability and the benefits of certain materials, businesses have an opportunity to add to or improve existing products by combining bamboo charcoal with other materials to create enhanced products. There is a market building for more products utilizing bamboo charcoal, and it is relatively inexpensive and easy to enter the market as a new business. Have any questions or want to share your experience?